On the last day, I mentioned that PNP doesn't have any Prime Minister candidate. However, Mirza Fakhrul stated that Tariq Jia is their candidate. Are they kidding? Are they out of their minds? Are they daydreaming? A fugitive, a criminal, a man convicted of money laundering, a man who is accused of transferring 10 trucks of arms to the cross-border terrorists, a man who is behind the most heinous terrorist attack in 2004. In the year of 2007, he fled the country after giving a bond that he will never engage in politics again. This coward, who is also known as Mr. 10%, he wants to become the Prime Minister. What an irony! The people of Bangladesh, Banglar Manush, they know how to turn their dreams into nightmares. Tariq Jiaর এই স্বপ্ন কখনো সফল হবে না। এই খুনি মানুষ পুরুষ 10% রাজাকারের বরপুত্র, দুর্নীতির বরপুত্রের স্বপ্ন বাংলার ছাত্র সমাজ বেঁচে থাকতে কখনো সম্ভব হবে না।